Mr. Tarantula climbs out of his burrow on a bright October morning. He spent the first 7 years of his life in the dark, literally, on matters of life and love. But now is his time. His time to face the world and find his soulmate. His journey leads him through many dangers. He faces being crushed by cars, eaten by animals, stepped on by careless human feet, he might travel nearly 3/4 of a mile until she's here. Oh, that's her house. What beautiful music! Are you classically trained? I am self-taught. I don't usually play for an audience, but your lovely smell inspired me. You are too kind. Did you travel a long way? Not so far that setting my 8 eyes on you wouldn't be worth it. I'm Tula, Mr. Tarantula, but please call me Taran, as you wish. Not long after mating with his true love, Mr. Tarantula sadly died. He left behind Tula and hundreds of children. Tula would live to be nearly 30 years old, and though Taran had always had a special place in her heart, she would have many, many, many other suitors in the years to come. Her sons would carry on the tradition of looking for love no matter the cost. Death cannot stop true love. But if you wait until next October, someone else will come along